You know all those old books you used while you were in school, all those stuff like handouts and notebooks that you were using? Do not discard them yet because I just discovered that they are actually worth some money. Yes, you heard me right. You can actually sell these old notes and handouts and make money off of it. Now, when I learned about this, I was so curious to know more about this. So I went onto this website where you can sell your old notebooks. And then I discovered that it's not just about selling your old notebooks. You can actually become a tutor on this website and even help people with their homework on this website and get paid for it. So this website also claimed that you can make $5,000 worth of money by just selling your notebooks on the website. And then I also discovered that you can sell materials, academic materials in any language from all over the world. There are people willing to buy in any language, and this website has made that platform available for people to come and bring in their works and their academic documents and sell to people that are willing to buy on this website. Before you leave this video, after I must have revealed the name of the website, just stay tuned because I'm going to tell you about my findings, about what people are saying about the website, because I went on Quora to ask and people said some things and then I took note of that. But I'm also going to show you how you're going to upload your documents in case you decide to upload your documents, so you know how to go about it. But first, you have to create an account on this website, and the website is called studypool.com. This is where you can get to become a tutor or sell your documents here and make some money. So if you want to become a tutor, you click here once you have finished signing up, and if you want to sell your documents, you click here. So for the purpose of this video, we want to sell a document, so I'm going to click here, and here is where it has brought us to, and it says what you have to upload: quiz or exam preps, old assignments, class notes, multi-language contents like I mentioned earlier. And it says upload your document to earn up to $10 per document view. So here is if your document is approved, you see this, the number. If it's declined, you see here. If the document is pending, because they will have to go through it to approve it before they'll be able to upload it for people to see and buy. And if you want to upload documents, you just drag your document here. So you see, the process is you upload document, files are approved, users view document, you receive payment. You earn up to $10 every time a student views your document. So let's check out the payment method in this very place. So here is, if you click payment method, you see you can get paid through PayPal, Wise, Western Union, Check Issues, Krill, and Payoneer. So once you have seen this, you know you have to have one of these accounts to be able to get paid. So now here is the maximum earnings. You have to have a high quality. Their system will check high quality, add document details. By the way, you can add any form of document here, be it PNG, be it PDF, any form of document. Then all content must provide educational value, just so you know. So here it is. This is a draft of a good content and this is a draft of a bad content. You can go through that. And here is the FAQs that you should go through if you have any questions you want to ask. And of course, we'll try to upload a document now, and so that you see how that works. So to do that, we're going to drag our document to this place. I've uploaded this document here and it says it's processing. So you see one pending processing document, like it's still pending. So I'm going to give it some time and see if once they approve it, it's going to show here that it has been approved. So this is basically how you can make money off of this website, by just selling your documents. Now, this is your Notebank ID. Your Notebank ID appears like whenever you want to check out your documents, you can use your Notebank ID. You just don't sell only notes, you can sell presentations, reports, projects, exam preparation stuff, and anything generally, school materials that can actually help students do better in their school. People are willing to buy, and like I said, the best part is no matter the language all these documents are written in, they are willing to accept it, provided it has the quality and it is in the format they have stated on the website, like I showed you. To edit it, like to put the school course tags and stuff like that, to make sure it ranks so that people will see it, you click here and then you fill out this very form here and just save and update. That's all you need to do. If you don't have any documents you can upload and sell, you can actually use Canva to design stuff like journals for students or budgets, school budgets for students, anything at all, you know, that it may be beneficial to students, and upload it here. and you can make a sale like by the time you upload it on the website. And of course, like I mentioned, there are tags and everything you need to put in to start making sales. Now, before I continue, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to my channel so that other people can get to see this opportunity and take advantage of it and see if it's actually going to work for them. I really appreciate you. This is Cora. I already asked the question and here are some responses I have gotten. Like this person says you can make 5,000 a month and work a lot or little work and use your side gig like to augment, and he says it's a great platform. This one says that he hasn't tried tutoring on the platform but he had uploaded over 70 documents in March this year and he hasn't made any sale. So in a nutshell, some people are saying that they've made some money, whereas others are saying it took them time before they were able to make some money. Others also said they were not able to make any money. So it means that the experience varies for everybody on Quora, and people gave their answers based on the experiences they had with the website. So you never can tell which will be your experience. So instead of allowing those your notes and exam prep stuff to just be lying there, you can just upload it and see if it's actually going to work for you. Now about the payment, you're going to be prompted to provide the amount you're going to be receiving and the contact of your buyer by the time someone indicates interest to buy from you. However, the website also says that if someone views your document, you get paid $10. I can only tell how that is going to work by the time someone viewed my document because I just uploaded one. So but for now, if you get to try it, please don't fail to tell me your experience in the comment section. I'd love to know because I'm also trying this as well. Now, if you've been trying to open up a YouTube channel or start content creation but you don't want to show your face, I have a video here where you can start creating kids animation and make money off of it without showing your face. You may want to check it out. And of course, if you want to start rendering services like proofreading articles and get paid for it, do well to check out this video. Please don't fail to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.